First in the news tonight, the proposed 7.2 trillion peso 2027 National Expenditure Program has been successfully turned over by the Department of Budget and Management, or DBM, the House of Representatives for deliberation.
Among the key items in the proposed budget is 107.4 billion pesos for flood control projects, as the government moves to ensure that funds only go to verified and properly monitored projects.
The House will also scrutinize how the budget will address other priority areas as lawmakers prepare for the start of budget deliberations. Let's have the full details from IBC News correspondent Earl Tobias.
6% higher than this year's budget. The proposed 2027 National Expenditure Program now totals 7.2 trillion pesos. And under this proposal, flood control projects are again to be funded with an allocation of 107.4 billion pesos. Department of Budget and Management Acting Secretary Kim De Leon says the government cannot afford to abandon verified flood control projects already underway. But to prevent another massive corruption scandal, the DBM and DPWH will monitor projects from budget release to completion and vows that no ghost project will slither through.
Hindi naman din po natin po pwedeng pabayaan yung mga naumpisahan na kasi mas matindi po yung vetting na ginawa namin. Properly identified, properly tagged ang location ng mga projects, duly supported ngayon pa lang ng actual program of works ang mga ito upang masiguro natin na hindi ito magiging mga ghost flood control projects kapag ito ay naaprubahan ng Kongreso.
House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos will also check if the flood control projects strictly followed Project NOAA, the University of the Philippines flood mapping system. House Appropriations Committee Chairperson Micaela Swansing says Project NOAA's flood risk map will be the transparent basis for which areas should really get flood control funding.
Naglaan po tayo sa ilalim ng 2026 GAA ng 1 bilyong piso para sa Project NOAA. At bakit po natin ginawa yun? Meron po kasing mapping ang Project NOAA na makikita natin sa kanilang website. Kung ang isang lugar ba ay nakatag bilang red zone, orange zone, or yellow zone. Base po sa gaano po kadelikado yung lugar na yon na magkaroon ng baha.
Meanwhile, education gets the biggest share of the 2027 budget with 1.314 trillion pesos for basic and higher education. 30 billion pesos will go to basic education facilities, while 12 billion pesos is set for an expanded career program for teachers. The DBM also says social services remain a major priority, including 99 billion pesos for 4Ps. 51 billion pesos for social pension of indigent senior citizens and 1.89 billion pesos for Walang Gutom 2027. The DOH Regional Hospitals budget also rises to 107.29 billion pesos, with the government targeting more local hospitals to implement zero balance billing. Majority Leader Marcos says the House will not hesitate to amend the proposed budget, especially if priority sectors need more funding.
Kung meron departamento na binigay ng budget 100 pesos, pero 50 pesos lang ang ginastos nila, ibig sabihin sinayang nila yung 50 pesos. So sayang lang yung pondo kung hindi ginastos. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ilipat sa ibang departamento.
House Speaker Faustino Bojidi III also vows only a clean and accountable budget will pass the House.
Hindi sapat na sabihin kung magkano ang ginagastos. Dapat maipakita kung ano ang nagagawa ng bawat piso. Magtatanong tayo, makikinig tayo, at sisiguraduhin nating malinaw sa publiko ang bawat takbang ng prosesong ito.
Budget deliberations in the House begin Monday, August 17. The process starts with the Development Budget Coordination Committee, the committee responsible for drafting the 7.2 trillion peso 2027 national budget. Meanwhile, the Senate has also received a copy of the 2027 National Expenditure Program. Earl Tobias, IBC News.